Jordan here from Court Coasting. I've got the 85 litre fridge here today, and I'm showing you how we put it on a small fridge slide. So big fridges don't need big fridge slides. Nice and simple. All we have done is we've got a small fridge slide, and then we've put two packers in. So two 90 by 45 sticks. We've cut them, put them underneath. What that does is raise the level of the fridge slide, so there's no interference on the sides of the slide, so the fridge can go up and in nice and easy, and there's no wasted space around the slide itself because it's actually the width of the slide. And now this way, we have minimized all our wasted space around the fridge, so we can build our drawer and electrical setup nice and close to the fridge, and that way we're maximizing every single centimeter of our setup. The other good thing about this kind of way of doing it is your fridge slide is a small one, which means there's less wasted weight on a bigger fridge slide. It saves us from having to go the next size up and really maximizes the space that we've got left in this setup. So that's roughly how that works. And the cool thing is it still functions exactly the same way as a normal slide would, and you just haven't got all that extra wasted space. So that is that. And that's how we connect our fridge slide. Hopefully this helps. Hopefully it gets your setup moving, and I want to catch you out on the road. See you next time.